Good day, folks. This is Greg Judy at Green Pastures Farm. Today I'm up at my brother's and sister-in-law's house, my older brother, and we're having Christmas on the Judy side of the family here, and Mandy and Alan and his family are putting together a meal, and this is part of their new restaurant that they're going to be having one of these days. This is actually a tasting room. And the actual restaurant is going to go out here. You can see the pads already poured. And my brother Alan was telling me they've got all the timbers cut now, but Alan is a self-taught timber framer. This is all some of his work that he does. Look at the beams up there. Yeah, he's good. He's really good at angles and math and figuring out all the different angles, and he is a well sought after timber framer, but he's kind of trying to back out of it now. He's older and he's growing mushrooms. Him and Mandy grow mushrooms, and they got a mushroom house. I'd like to do a video on that sometime, but he's got a full grown mushroom house down there. He grows mushrooms 365 days of the year now. It doesn't matter what the weather is outside, he can grow mushrooms. And they're doing shiitakes, oysters, lion's mane, reishi, I think one called king. They got a whole menagerie of different mushrooms. And Alan's figured it out. He knows how to grow them. But this building, this is a commercial kitchen in here. Mandy and Alan, everybody's in there. I got David and Isaac are anxiously waiting, along with Jan. Mandy's cooking is unbelievable. I'm gonna get an opening here. So this is for a commercial kitchen, you've got to have a bathroom, and this is their storage area. And then they've got walk-in coolers over here. I gotta show you, well, let me start on the outside of the building. This building's beautiful. Check this out. So Alan cut all this timber himself. This is the same stuff that I used on the log cabin when I built my log cabin. Gosh, that was in 1978. Exactly the same boards. That's a white oak with batting strips on it. And then he seals it with a product called Sikkens. It's a wood preservative. I believe it's out of Sweden. Anyway, it's a wonderful, brings out the luster of the color of the wood. Isn't that pretty? Just made a beautiful building. Alan is, he's a master carpenter. I mean, the guy can build anything. And so they're gonna start selling food, and to sell food, you got to have a commercial kitchen, and it's all the specs. It's all stainless steel, and Alan installed all this, and he built a lot of it. I'm just gonna do a real quick walkthrough on our meal here, and I won't get in the way of Mandy. She knows what she's doing. That's amazing. You don't want to get in the cook's way. I'm gonna stay back. I tell you what, I've never ate a meal at Mandy's that wasn't absolutely through the roof delicious. And if you go home from Mandy's house and you're hungry, it's your own fault. This is the back part of the place. There's actually through the woods there is Alan and Mandy's house. They've got a beautiful timber frame back there in those white oak timber. Nice lake out in front of the house, and yeah, I have to do a video on that house someday. It's gorgeous. But the floors on Alan's, he's got on-demand water heater. And it's got the PEX tubing in this concrete, and you can heat and cool it from the PEX water pipes that's going through this concrete. Man, I'm getting hungry just looking at this stuff. I'm gonna stay out of the cook's way. I might take a picture of it right before we eat, and that'll be the caption on this video. But Mandy had us here this summer. It was the first meal she served here, and had all the Judy family come in, and my goodness, I think there was about 15 or 20 of us here. And she just kept bringing out food and kept bringing out food. It was just unbelievable, her talent in fixing Asian type dishes and stuff. I mean, she's really good. And so I think a restaurant, you know, what they're going to do is focus on groups, I think, starting out. But I tell you what, people get a taste of it, they'll drive a long ways to get that dining experience. And I'll probably have a video up when she gets up and rolling. Anybody in Central Missouri, you need to check her out. They live up on by Macon, Missouri, off a gravel road called Laser Road. They're only like a half mile off Highway 63, but I'll do a video on it when they get it all done. Alan said they've got all the beams cut now, and he's going to start putting up the frame probably in the next month or so. But it's going to be a beautiful place when he gets done. It already is a beautiful place. I mean, my goodness, can you imagine building something like this and getting to live in it every day? And look at that. I mean, the beams. And the neat thing about the concrete, the PEX tubing in here, is how efficient these buildings are. I've been in Alan's house up here in the big one in the timber, and it was, you know, 5 below zero that day. When I walked in, that house was, you know, 70, 75 degrees, and he's got an on-demand water heater that takes care of the temperature in that house. So there's a wood stove outside, and when the temperature drops a little bit, it opens up the damper on the wood stove, kicks on the heat, gets the water hot, and runs water all the way through that house on that concrete floor. And concrete really holds on to heat really well, and water does too. A lot better than blowing hot air. So yeah, it's amazing to walk in their house on a cold day, especially with sock feet, and your feet are cold. Oh, it feels so good. But he heats and cools that whole house. It's a big house, and hardly any energy. Hardly any energy. Just the electric motors to push the water, you know. It's amazing. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and sign off here. My appetite's growing by the minute, and the smell coming out of that kitchen is unbelievable. And we're going to have a beautiful Christmas dinner, and wishing everyone a Merry Christmas, and we'll see you all down the road.